Hi, and welcome to Mods. We're keeping you connected to inspiring science with virtual camp discovery, brought to you by Citrix, the museum's official innovation partner. Drum roll, please. Feel the enchantment when cross-cultural respect meets powerful sound and theatrical performance. Japanese drumming group Ronin Taiko and Keit Kung Fu combine their love of culture, drumming, and martial arts to stay fit and healthy.
How you doing? My name is Roy Anderson. I am the founder and performer of Ronin Taiko and the Wadaiko Academy.
And I'm Keit at Keit Martial Arts, Tigers of Trolley Foot. Sensei Roy and I have been playing here for many years together to celebrate Asian Pacific American Heritage Month, as well as many Asian festivals. And we've become friends and admired each other for the past 20 years or so, isn't that right?
Absolutely. We've seen many different festivals where he's performing and I'm performing. We grew a bond together through drumming, through martial arts, and we've seen a lot of different shows.
One thing I really respect about Sensei Roy is he's been over to Japan with his crew to really learn the real Taiko, get deep into the culture, the language, the philosophy, and it's very rare when you find somebody that's like that. I'm very much into the Chinese culture, the Chinese language. I speak Chinese fluently, and I think that many people are surprised when they meet Sensei Roy and myself and go, wow, you guys really know a lot about the culture, sometimes even more.
You're not Chinese?
No, I'm not actually.
I'm not Japanese?
No, he's the samurai Viking, you know, but but it's really cool. I mean, I think even some Japanese and Chinese actually come to us to learn about it, and what we really both do is promote the culture in a really fun and expressive way. It's really a skill, and it's something that anybody could really benefit for their life, I believe.
Yeah, absolutely. And finding connections between people and to come together to perform or to play, dance, sing. This is very important for us to bring this culture, whether it's Chinese, Japanese, Asian, Polynesian, doesn't matter what, that we're actually bringing this together to play together. And to have Chinese, Japanese, Polynesian playing drum rhythms that are all different styles, all different rhythms, but when we come together to perform it, it makes one beautiful thing.
And I think this is one thing that we both share in common, is we really want to bring everything together, show the beauty and the expression of the art forms and the cultures in a way that's never been done before.
joining us for this episode of Virtual Camp Discovery. Special thanks to Citrix, Mod's official innovation partner, for powering this series. Please stay safe and connected with Mods by visiting our social channels at MODSFTL.